Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2004 Toyota Tundra. This is a crew cab. We're going to start our walk around here on the driver's side, stopping up front to take a look at those tires. A lot of tread left, nice set of Michelins. And we're just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches, a little bit of discoloration, some fading there in that piece of trim. One little ding there in the trim, a little bit of scuffing, some prior repair there. Coming around to the back, you do get trailer tow. Obviously it's got a hard tonneau cover. Then we'll come up the passenger side. Again, just any little spots, there's some more of that little paint peeling there on the trim. Nothing in the body, looks really nice. Looking inside the truck, you do get multiple adjustments for the driver's seat. It's a nice cloth seating. 78,669 is your current mileage. They've added an aftermarket CD player there. It does have touchscreen. All your climate control functionality there, easy to get to. Lots of storage and compartments here in the center console. All the flooring is going to be a dark gray. Don't mind the mess I tracked in. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seats. Rear seats look great. No signs of any wear back here. Couple additional cup holders. Now the back seat does flip and fold to give you some additional storage. It's kind of a different situation here. You do get a nice amount of storage when it's folded up, but just kind of a unique setup here with the Toyota Tundra. Looking inside the bed of the truck, full spray-in bed liner. Nice waterproof tonneau cover. One more look at the back seat from the passenger side. There is an integrated armrest here for a little added comfort. Now in this model, the back window will roll down, which is pretty unique. Finishing up in the front passenger seat, we'll take one more look over that seating surface. We're going to take one more spin around the back. Went ahead and put that window down just to show you that it does come with that feature. And that's going to wrap up your 2004 Toyota Tundra.